Welcome back. This one dates from April the 1st as well, so this is a fool's one, which is quite apt because I was looking at the concept of a honeymoon. There's different things on the internet about the concept of the origin of it, including one that says from the 5th century, like medieval times, a potential suitor would take a woman, try to make her pregnant, and if she did get pregnant, then he would be able to marry her. This was a way to escape a dowry. I think it just sounds like a euphemism for rape. There was something online about people being given like something sweet like mead for them up after the wedding. I suspect it has earlier roots, but I haven't got too much time to write a thesis on that today. I'm thinking of honey as in the bee, which would relate to fertility, and the moon, which would relate to a female principle, probably. So this idea of going on a holiday after an extended break is a much more modern invention. Judging by my picture, there would be a lot of sand and water involved. So top left, there's like something floating in the sky. Not too sure what it is, but there's a blue part at the bottom with a gold face in it. And then up above that, there's this sort of goldy yellow bit. What on the left-hand side is like the face of a cherub. So I think that's a reminder to take contraception on your honeymoon. On the right-hand side is what I think looks a bit like a hand, and it's got a face right in the middle. And I'm just thinking about the hand of God again, and with that being a feminine face, a reference to that feminine principle which comes along with the idea of a honeymoon. So I guess this would be the equivalent of an arm, because that's a hand. It doesn't look like one, but it's in blue with lots of squiggles in. And it kind of looks a bit like this is a surfboard with a person underneath it. I definitely wouldn't try surfing though, except for on the internet. So beneath that there's a person, looks like a backpack of some kind, with like a random finger with an R on the end of it, pointing towards an N, I guess for north. And then there's this bird with a large beak. Is there a place associated with a bird with a large beak and surfboards? Surfboard has a T in it. I'm not sure what this is over to the left of that bird image. There's lots of squiggles and stuff happening, but I can't quite make out what it is. Possibly for the best. So there we have the definitive answer for the origins of the honeymoon and where the best place to go is. If you can decipher it, let me know. Thanks for listening.